Borah here, and in this video I'm going to tell you how I made $10,649.14 with Clickfunnels, and the awesome thing is I didn't even promote it directly. And that's not the only thing. I also made commissions from other affiliate offers such as ClickMagick, from GetResponse, Udemy, 4%, partner with Anthony. And the even more awesome thing is all these commissions are recurring commissions, which means I get paid every month for these commissions. So I'm going to show you how I did this, how I achieved this. Before we move ahead, I want to tell you that I am an average guy. I started just like you. I stumbled upon few things how to make money online, and then I worked really hard. I failed multiple times, and it took me at least a year to make any significant amount of money. I tried a lot of different things, but none of those they worked, but they worked for very short term. And that's what I realized. I need to build a business which is long term and which is sustainable. And whatever you are going to learn today is my goal and is my contribution to that method. And this is exactly what's working for me right now, and it's working great. And this is what's going to work in future. All the old affiliate marketing methods, all the other people who are putting out products, and those are the methods, most of them are just short-term method loopholes or tricks. Those are not going to work. So this is what you need to know. So now I'm going to show you how exactly do it. So we do it by using the power of ecosystem. So what is an ecosystem? They are usually a complex network or interconnected system where they have various components, and each component is dependent on another for its functioning. And when they all come together, it makes a working cycle, and it works smoothly. For example, like water cycle, you might have read about this in your school. Whenever there is a water body, whenever there is a heat, all the water, they get evaporated, they become clouds, and again those clouds come as a rain. So the cycle repeats itself, and all the parts of the water cycle, these are very important to function. Even if you just take out one thing out of the water cycle, it's not going to work. So we are going to implement the same strategy. We are going to take the same concept and we are going to apply it in the affiliate marketing, and which is known as affiliate ecosystem. So what is affiliate marketing? If you are new, if you are here for the first time and you have never heard about affiliate marketing, it's a system where you promote other people products. These could be digital products, these could be physical products. Here we talk about just digital products, and you don't even need to create your own product. So you just pick products which are created by other. It could be by other, and you promote them, and whenever you make a sale, you get a part of the sale as commissions. So it's really easy. It's really a great concept because you don't have a lot of moving parts. You don't need to create your product, you don't need to handle the support, you don't need to maintain the product. All the thing is done with a vendor. All you need to do is find people who are looking for a solution and just recommend them these products. But in order to promote any products online, we need few essential tools. These are very essential tools, and without these tools, it will be very difficult for anyone to build a long-term, sustainable and unshakable business. There are a lot of methods out there, and they will say, you don't need an email list, you don't need an autoresponder, you don't need to have a page builder. But all these offers, all these methods, these are short-term methods. I have tried those methods, and they work for a few months, they work for a few weeks, and then all of them got shut down, and I have to start everything once again. So, but I'm not doing all those things anymore. I just focus on long-term methods, and I want you to focus on the same things. Because I don't want to work very hard for 1 year, 2 years, and one day something happens and all your business goes to the ground. I want to build your base. I want you to build the foundation in a way that as each passing month, each passing year, your empire keeps growing day by day and year by year, and you become huge. Okay, so in order to promote these affiliate offers or any offers online, actually you need few essential tools, and without these essential tools, you won't be able to make a long-term business. And when all these tools come together, we build a affiliate marketing system, and that system is called as affiliate ecosystem. So let me just give an example from the real life. So let's say you just want to play tennis, and in order to play tennis, you need a racket, you need tennis balls, you need tennis shoes, and then again you need a tennis court and a player. So if you just take out one of the things here, like even if you just take out tennis racket, you won't be able to play tennis, you won't be able to enjoy tennis. If you just take out balls, you won't be able to do that. So it's a tennis ecosystem. In the same way, all these products, all the essential tools, these are very, very important. And if you take out any of these tools, it's very important to build a affiliate marketing business. And we are going to leverage the same concept, and we're going to make a lot of commissions. Let me show you how. So let's say this is a overview of the affiliate ecosystem. For example, let's say you have an offer to promote, and in order to promote an offer, you need to build some pages. You need to build some pages where you can write the review, where you can upload, where you can collect email IDs, where you can tell more about the product, where you can upload more content about the system. And in order to build those landing pages, you will need a page builder. So without a page builder, you won't be able to build those landing pages. And then again, what happens? You need to follow up with your people. So with what happens with landing page, you get all the people to your page, and you have let me show you an example. So you have a place, you have a form, you have a place where you collect the name and email ID. So this is I created this opt-in page through a page builder. So they have a place for the people to enter the name and email, and when they enter the name and email, they get into my email list. Okay, so when people come into my email list, I need to hold these people in an autoresponder. So from where I can follow up with them automatically, and where I build my email list where I can send broadcast emails to these people, follow up with them to buy my offers. And then we have a click magic. And what is this? This is a link tracker. All the pages, you need to cloak them, you need to actually track those links. And why this is very, very necessary? Because we need to see from which source we are getting traffic, from which source of traffic it is actually converting and making us money. So because if you are not able to track like which traffic source is converting well for us, we won't be able to optimize it. So for that, there's a product called Click Magic, which is a really, really great product. I have been using it for last 3-4 years. Then we need to also get visitors to your landing pages, to your links, to your offers. So all these things, they are all interconnected. And even if you take on just one of the stuff here, your marketing system is not going to work. So what happens is, now this is an affiliate marketing ecosystem. So I hope you understood that. Even if you don't, even just email me to my email. You can just reply back to my email, and I will try to explain you. So what happens? So you understand affiliate ecosystem. So there are actually 2 ways you can profit from this ecosystem. So the normal way is build your own ecosystem training. So what happens whenever someone is coming to learn affiliate marketing, you can build a training around the ecosystem where you teach people how to pick up a product, what products to promote, and you tell them how to build a landing page. And when you tell them how to build a landing page, you refer them Clickfunnels, a page builder. And when you go to the other part where you teach people about email list building, then you promote them, you recommend them, get response. And what this will do, people will not get pissed off that you are just trying to tell them to buy these offers. They will really appreciate you. They will really appreciate your help, that you are actually showing people what's really working and what you are doing, and they will be really, really thankful. And I have tried this method. It's worked really great. People, they send me thank you messages, they buy all these offers, and they never need to promote it directly. Okay. So, and when they get to the traffic part, they need to sign up to Udemy for buying solo ads if they want to. Or when you teach them about tracking links, you can teach them about Click Magic when they need to buy that. So what will happen, if you do this by yourself, it's going to take you a lot of time. You will need to record like hundreds of videos, and if not 100, maybe 20-30 videos if you want to do it properly, where you need to do all this, how to set up a site, set up pages, autoresponder, sending emails, how to set up tracking, how to get traffic. Then you need to test everything. Then you need to maintain the system, handle the support. Now it's a lot of work. I have done it before. I have done it in the last year, and it took me around 3 months to just complete the course, and then it took me around 2 months to test everything. So it was a lot of time. Let me show you a screenshot here. So you can see this was my members area where I was promoting an offer, and I built an ecosystem around that offer, and I was giving away this membership area as a bonus, coaching bonus. And what people are doing, they are coming to this members area. They are going through the videos. Each module has like 3 to 4 videos, so there were like 20 videos. Each were like 15 to 20 minutes long. It took me a lot of time to do all these things, and then people, they were buying the product I was promoting. Because I built an ecosystem, I was teaching people how to promote the product and make commission. So people are buying their affiliate offer, then they are getting their autoresponder, they are getting the page builder, and it worked really, really great. But what happened, like the offer that I was promoting, they sadly closed it down, and I had all the system. It went to the waste. But what I learned here is like building ecosystems. It worked great, and it's one of the best way to help people and also to build a long-term business. Okay, and then I decided to find a smart way to do it. So I found a smart way to do it. I started looking for how I can do it, without building all those things myself once again. So I found few done for you affiliate ecosystems. So instead of building everything myself, why not leverage the system that's already out there? So and these ecosystems, they have all the things that I told you in the previous step. They have all the training in a step-by-step manner, and all you need to do is promote these ecosystems. All you need to do is focus on promoting these done for you system, and it takes care of all the things for you. It sells the page builder for you, it sells the tracker for you, it sells the autoresponder for you, it sells the traffic for you. And again, other thing, what I really, really like this, these are laid down in a step-by-step manner. So you can also go through all the steps, and they few programs, they were really, really great. They taught me about the mindset. They told me about how to how to create my goals, how to approach them, and all the trainings inside, they were very, very detailed. They were very, very detailed, and they helped me a lot, and they will help any newbie how to set up everything from the scratch, how to set up the website, how to create emails. Though they don't need to buy any offer. So I really, really like that ecosystem, and I promoted those. And what happened, when I promoted these offers, people, they bought Clickfunnels, and you just saw my proof. I made over $10,000 with Clickfunnels, and I never promoted it. What I did, I just promoted the done for you ecosystem. Okay, and then they bought ClickMagick. You saw my commissions. I bought Udemy. They bought Udemy. They bought GetResponse, and I made commissions from all these systems. And all these commissions are recurring commissions. Which means I get paid monthly from all these companies. And all I need to do is I just promote the affiliate offer. Like these could be 2 offer, PWA, partner with Anthony and 4%. So currently I am promoting these 2 offers. I really like them, And the other great thing is, so this is your one ecosystem, which is about essential affiliate marketing tools. But then again, these products, a lot of these products, they have their own ecosystem as well, where they teach in the form of coaching products or in the form of softwares. So these people, I promote this one offer, they buy the products in this ecosystem, and again they also buy products in these ecosystems. So I was making money from both the ecosystems, and it's really, really powerful. It's really, really great, and I really, really think I should have figured this out a lot earlier, and I would have made a lot of money. But this is working really great for me. So let's example, if you're wondering how much money you can make with this, let's say you're promoting an offer, main offer, a done for you affiliate ecosystem, and if you just get 20 sales, even if you get just 20 sales, and then 20 people, they go and buy Clickfunnels, which pay around $38.8 per month for a $97 their membership, and they get ClickMagick, the basic packages, which is around like I think $17 per month, and you get paid I think $6 per month. Then Udemy, their traffic source, so you get paid actually whenever someone buy a solo ad there. So even if you just miss that, even if you just keep it aside for a while, and if they get the autoresponder response, which pays you 33% commissions, and you make like it sells for like $15 per month, so you make $5 per month. So even if you get just 20 people to buy this, and this offer, the main offer, like the offer I was promoting, it was around $49 per month. The other offer I was promoting, it was like $7 per month during the initial period. So let's take the offer which was promoting at $49 per month. So I was getting paid I think $15, I think $14 per month. So let's say I have 20 people, so $14 for the membership of the affiliate ecosystem, 38.8 for the Clickfunnels, $5 for get response, plus around $6 for the click magic. So $63 per month from 1 people, and if I have 20%, so that's around $1,276 dollars per month in commissions, and just 20 people, just referring 20 people, it can make you a lot of commissions, and it's amazing. And it's not really hard to get those 20 members. Just imagine if you're just new, you're just getting started, don't know how to work. Don't you think you can get just 20 members to share your vision with the people who will have the same vision, who want to make online business like you? And if you don't, even if you don't, when you become a member of these affiliate marketing ecosystems, they will teach you exactly how to get traffic, how to build your pages, and all these things that you need to make those affiliate commissions. And apart from that, I'll be there. I'll be there to help you out. Whenever you have any questions, any queries, just reply back to my email, or I have a Facebook group where you can go and post your queries, and or you can just mail to my support. I'm there to help you out. I put out training courses, I put out training videos each and every week, to my YouTube channel, to my Facebook group, to my email. So it's going to be very easy, but only if you are willing to work, if you're willing to put in the initial effort. Because once you get those 20 people, you will see the power of it, and then when you get 200 people, you make like $10,000 per month, which is amazing. So last 2 days I got, let me show you, just last 2 days I promoted an offer. So last 4 days, it's 2nd April, 2nd to 5th, 2, 3, 4, 5. So last 3-4 days I'm promoting a offer, which is a affiliate ecosystem, and I made 32 sales already. So I know what I'm talking about. I have been here for last 3-4 years, and you need to believe in yourself. Getting those 20 people is not a great task. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. So what I'm going to do is below this video, I'm going to leave a link to the exact ecosystem that's performing the best for me right now. And if you just get your go, claim your ecosystem, claim your membership there. I don't think it's going to cost a lot. If you cannot spend, like, if you cannot invest maybe $30-40 per month. Oh, you see, I just made another commission. So if you cannot invest like $30-40 per month in education, and you want to build a huge business online, then this thing might not be for you. You need to change your thinking. You need to think like a businessman. This is a business. This is a serious business, and this is not something I do for hobby. This is a serious business, and if you give your best and if you give your everything, you are going to make a lot of money. The sky is the limit. So check out the link below this video. You go to the next page and read the entire page, go through the sales video, and if you like it, get inside the membership. And if you have any issues, I'm there to help you out. Thank you so much, and see you inside. Okay, and let's make a lot of cool commissions together.